Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to set the path for Java. Setting up the path is necessary to compile and run the Java source code from anywhere into the computer. For example, open the command prompt. In E drive, I have some Java source code. Testcom.java. This is Java source code. I want to compile this Java source code. To compile the Java source code, write the command javac space file name. My file name is testcom.java. Press enter. This is giving error. Javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. Means Javac is not working here. To solve this problem, we have to set the path. Path can be set by two ways. One way is temporary path. It can be set from the command prompt. Another way is permanent path. It can be set from the environment variable. First, see how to set the path from command prompt. Setting up the path from the command prompt is a temporary way to set the path. To set the path from the command prompt, go to the Java folder. Java folder is in program files. This is Java folder. Go to the JDK and bin. Bin is the folder where javac to compile the Java source code and Java to run the Java bytecode files are available here. Copy this path, right click, copy. Go to the command prompt. Here write path equal to, press Ctrl V. Press enter. Now path is set from the command prompt. Now run the javac. It is working now. Means javac to compile the Java source code is working here. This is the temporary path. If I close the command prompt and reopen this, and again here I am testing whether javac command is working or not. Javac testcom.java. Javac is not recognized. Means when you close the command prompt, the path setting will deleted. So this is the setting of temporary path. Now we want to set the path permanent. To set the path permanent, we have to give the address of bin folder in environment variable. To open the environment variable, right click on this my computer or this PC. Go to the properties. In the right side, click on advanced system setting. Here you can see environment variable. In advanced option you can see environment variable. Click on environment variable. Here this is the environment variable window. These are the user variable, these are the system variable. User variables means the path is setting for a particular user, or you can call it current user. System variable means it will work for all user. So I am going to set system variable. Click on this path, click on edit. Here click on new and right click here and paste the same folder, bin folder. Click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now close the command prompt and reopen it again. Go to the E drive. Here type javac, Java source code file name. It is testcom.java. Press enter. Yes, it is working. When I close this window and again reopen it, again I am going to E drive, type javac. It is working now. So now I set the path permanent through the environment variable. Thank you.